Chiffon is a beautiful, sheer fabric that drapes well and is often used in formal apparel. It has a nice matte finish and is a favorite among apparel makers for prom dresses, blouses, wedding dresses, and veils, or at special events as draperies, table skirts, and chair ties. Chiffon is a silky smooth, lightweight fabric that can be a little tricky to sew because of how slippery it can be. So here are a few tips to help you through it. Pre-wash the fabric if you wish using the method you plan to launder the finished garment. We generally recommend dry cleaning, but if you must, wash on a delicate cycle or hand wash in cold water and hang to dry. It's a great idea to mark out where you're cutting with a fabric marker beforehand so you can see your lines are straight and even before you make your cuts. When cutting chiffon, use sharp shears and cut slowly, checking often to make sure that your fabric has not slipped. When pinning chiffon, use lots of extra thin pins, preferably a silk pin, but anything size 17 and under would work well. Choose a fine ballpoint needle when sewing with chiffon and a quality polyester thread. When you're ready to sew, you want to use a lower tension for a looser stitch that is less likely to pucker. If you're having a hard time getting the stitch started, place tissue paper or fabric stabilizer on the top and bottom of your fabric and sew like normal. Then, after you're done sewing, you can rip the paper away. If you're working with a really delicate looking garment, don't backstitch at the beginning and end. This can sometimes make the stitch look really bulky. Instead, leave plenty of thread hanging loose and tie it off after you're done sewing. When ironing chiffon, we recommend using a medium heat setting.